Look at that. I dragged this back to my land. I can't guess what it would possibly be. You guys may have an idea, but I'm guessing it was some sort of a bathtub, maybe a planter. It's made out of plastic. It might have been a container for like shredded wheat or something like that. I'm not sure. But I thought it looks like it would be useful. It's got something here that you could like stick peanuts into, and then it's got this other one here that you could maybe like, I don't know, store types of fruit. So like, you know, your small nuts and stuff could go in there, and then like fruit could go in there. I'm not sure. But maybe you guys can tell me, give me some ideas of what we could do with this thing. There's probably some uses for it. I was thinking maybe I'd cut the top of it off and grow some water plants or make a little pond out of it or something. But maybe you guys have some ideas. So share some ideas on what you think this might be. And what do you think we could do with it? It looked like a very useful thing. I mean, a container like that's probably worth a couple $100. I mean, if you really think about how much shredded wheat this thing could hold, it's significant. And shredded wheat is not cheap. It's like, I don't know, what $6 a box or something like that. And if you just started opening boxes and pouring them in, probably about 13,000 boxes could fit inside of there. And, you know, so there you go. So give me some ideas, and also be sure to get my free composting booklet, which I will put a link underneath this video. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.